Hi guys, how are you doing? I just shared with you like the general matrix that I have been organizing to see our own the whole strategical plan. Just like the whole thing where you can see the objectives that we have. So we can find each objective, the period, who's leading it, the sub-activities, advances, achievements. So this is, you can take a look at the whole, at each one just to take a quick glance of everything that we have done. And I want to ask Hector, who has been in charge of this first part of TBL, to see in the 21. I have some activities that I don't know if some of them are the same thing here. I don't know if there's anything new, and if there's or if it's the same thing, we just put the same advances. And the idea is to see how much we achieved. So just check which ones the ones that we have been continue working through the last year to this year. Doesn't matter. What we put here is what we've done. Something short, just a sentence. And it says here file. I'm gonna share the folder too. Actually, I should share the folder where you're gonna have access to where we can put any files that we have been using for any of these activities. I'm gonna show you that. John has the second part pretty much, which is the things that we have done to help students. So just check what we've done and what is it that this semester we have new or we have achieved. Because this way we can have first take a look at the whole information, the things that we have done, and this will help us for a meeting that we have next week, in which we're gonna sit down and talk about like the projects that we have for next semester, plans, and so forth. That's pretty much the idea. Okay, so let me see. I'm gonna put these advances here because this one is incomplete. So just take a look at this. First you can take a look at the whole thing, just for you to take a quick glance of everything that we have, and that's going to help me to see if it's anything missing. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna share with you, like I'm gonna send a link where you're gonna have access to the whole strategic plan. And here, for example, objective 1, that's where you're going to introduce, for example, TBL. I have some things that we have used, conceptual, the basic guidelines. So you can put Hector, for example, there, the information that you have of everything that we have implemented TBL. And the same with John, like key themes, for example, the route for the implementation of helping students. For example, if you know that you have a database in another link, what you can do is put there like a file with the link to all the database that you have. So that will be a direct way to look at the files. Okay.